Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. You know, guys, the stock market can be a very strange beast. This is Xerox, okay? XRX, everybody's heard of Xerox, had earnings this morning. They released earnings this morning. This was the reaction. This mauve area, the tan area you see here, that is the pre-market. This was dropping. Look, there was its close yesterday at 1643, and it got down to 1534. Market opens. This is all pre-market. The market opens, and for some reason, a giant green candle, green candle, green candle, green candle, green candle, until finally a little bit of chop. How I saw it? Well, on my favorite scan, guys, the Xerox came right here at 1812. The time was 10:15. I waited a little bit, but I ended up taking this trade. I wish I'd held on a little bit longer, but it's just kind of strange the way all that happened. Big gap down in the pre-market, and then a massive pop on earnings. All right, everybody. So we'll see you tomorrow.